Hello and welcome to the Trisure USA factory in Carroll Stream, Illinois. Today we are with John Bushman, Quality Manager of the Trisure facility. John is going to walk us through a demonstration of the proper installation and removal of plugs on a steel drum, as well as the proper installation and removal of steel Tabseal caps and our patented Sambacap. The torque recommendations for plugs on a steel drum vary by size, material composition, and gasket composition for those specific plugs. The specific torque recommendations can be found on our website at trisure.com, as well as on the shipping paperwork from your drum supplier. Today, John will be utilizing nylon plugs, which require a minimum torque of 20 foot-pounds on the 2-inch and 9 foot-pounds on the 3/4-inch plug. John is going to install these plugs utilizing our plug adapter. Trisure offers the plug adapters in both 1/2-inch and 3/8-inch drive options. As you can see, our plug adapter has been connected to a torque wrench. That torque wrench has been preset to the 20 foot-pound minimum torque requirement to install these plugs. This torque wrench will let John know when he reaches the 20 foot-pounds of resistance. You can also connect our plug adapter to torque wrenches that are regulated and controlled by pneumatics. In addition to our plug adapters, Trisure offers preset torque wrenches, which John will use on the 3/4-inch plug for this demonstration. However, our preset torque wrenches are double-sided and can be used on both the 2-inch and the 3/4-inch plugs. Our preset torque wrenches do require periodic recalibration, and this is a service that we offer. Our preset torque wrenches come in both our standard version as well as non-spark versions if your packaging requires that added safety feature. For quality assurance purposes, we recommend to regularly check the process parameters that have an influence on the applied torque, such as the air pressure and wrench settings. Now John will install our steel Tabseal cap. For the 2-inch steel Tabseal cap, John is utilizing our pneumatic crimper. This tooling has been designed by Trisure to ensure a smooth, consistent crimp of the cap onto the drum. For the 3/4-inch steel Tabseal cap, John will utilize our manual crimping tool. Again, the crimping tool has been designed to ensure a smooth, consistent crimp of the cap to the drum. Both the manual and pneumatic crimpers are available for the 2-inch and 3/4-inch sizes. We also offer additional crimping tools for our poly Tabseal caps. These look and function very similarly, but there are key differences, so you want to make sure you utilize the crimping tools that were designed specifically for either the metal or the poly Tabseal cap. Now you will see John utilize our universal plug removal tool. In addition to removing any plug that Trisure makes from the drum, this tool has an added feature that enables the easy removal of our steel Tabseal caps. This works on both the 2-inch and the 3/4-inch steel Tabseal caps. Now John will install our patented Sambacaps. As you see, Sambacaps is very easy to both install and remove. It does not require any tool, rather you just press on and pull away at the removal tab. Our Sambacaps, being all plastic, is therefore easily recyclable. Our standard Sambacaps comes in plain white, and we offer private design printing on the cap. John is now utilizing our universal plug removal tool again. We have a few universal plug removal tools, depending upon your preference, that are either cast or assembled. We also offer a non-spark version of our universal plug removal tool for applications that require that added safety feature. Thank you for joining us today. If you have any questions or would like more information, please reach out to your company representative, or you can find additional contact information at greif.com and trisure.com. Thank you.